Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to convert a Epson EcoTank to a sublimation printer for half the price. You're able to create beautiful photo keychains and so much more. Hey crafters, welcome back to Craft Basics, where art is a passion and craft is your everyday life. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I will be walking you through the steps that I use to convert this Epson printer into a sublimation printer. Okay, so I am unboxing. This is my first time going in this box. So I am going to be removing the excess pieces that they use for packaging. And these are the original inks that came with the printer. But I did purchase some sublimation inks on Amazon, which you will be needing for the conversion process. I will leave the links below so you're able to purchase the sublimation inks online. This printer I bought locally. I think you can also find it on Amazon, but this process was easier for me to purchase it locally. Alright, so I'm just going to be removing the tape from the printer. This was necessary for transportation, so nothing was, moved out of place. And I'm just going through each section to remove the pieces of blue tape from it. Let me know if you like this video and leave a comment if you're actually in the process of converting your EcoTank to a sublimation printer. Okay, I think that's it. We have all the tapes removed and I am going in now for the manual, which I will be needing to start the conversion process. So that's just a CD that comes with the printer. You will need that in the end to do the setup to your laptop. You'll be needing some items for this conversion process. You can use 4 disposable cups. The 4 disposable cups are for the inks that comes with the printer. So you're not going to throw away the original ink. What you're going to do is pour the ink in one of the disposable cups. So for example, black, you're going to pour the black ink into the disposable cup and you're going to rinse that bottle thoroughly. The reason why we're doing this is the nozzle that comes with the original printer ink is needed to pour the ink into the printer, right? So what I will do is pour the ink into the cup. That's the original ink. We're going to pour this ink into a cup, rinse the bottle thoroughly with fresh water. No soap is necessary. And you're going to flash that bottle real good to make sure that the excess water is removed from the bottle. These syringes came with the package and they can be used to transfer the ink to the printer, but they're going to take a while, so let's not do that. I'll be going off camera to start the conversion process. I will pour the original ink into a disposable cup, rinse the bottle thoroughly, remove the excess water, and I'll be back to pour the sublimation ink into the original bottle. So in this next step, I will be pouring the sublimation ink into the bottle that came with the original ink. And then I will close it and pour it into the printer. The nozzle is pretty unique, so it's easier to use it and get the ink inside the printer. Just ensure that you are putting the ink in the correct tank location on the printer. So read the instructions carefully, pay attention to the naming convention on the printer, so you're pouring the ink in the correct location. Now what I also observed is that the sublimation ink bottle was holding more ink than the original printer ink bottle, but that's okay. It means I have more for the future. You might notice that I am taking my time and I'm reading the instructions because I do not want to pour this ink into the wrong place. Okay, and it tells you step by step how you should be pouring into the tank. If you are finding this video to be helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment to let me know if this worked for you and how your printer is working so far. Once you have completed pouring the black ink into the printer, you can go ahead, rinse the bottle, the original bottle, and pour the original ink back into that bottle. It might come in handy in the future. You might be able to give it to someone who has a similar printer. Who knows? But I saved mine. Once the tank is full, it will reject any additional ink that's in the bottle. So just pour this back into the sublimation ink bottle and rinse. There you have it. I went ahead and I did all the conversions for the 4 color inks, and I am now able to store these away for future use. You know, I won't have to purchase another set of sublimation ink anytime soon because these last for a while. These are the syringes and we can just keep them for, you know, quick transfer. All right, so I'm going to set these aside. Now, the next step is to attach the power cord to the back of the printer. Once again, follow the instructions on the manual and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. All colors are present and all tanks are full. Please ensure to connect the back of the printer before you plug the power cord into your extension or into your power outlet. Okay, all right, that's it for the conversion process. Now you would follow the instructions to move on to connecting your printer to your devices. Hope this was very helpful for you. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and let me know in the comments if this was helpful.